Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the TMA plus CG indicator, indices, on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. The name of this indicator is an acronym for Triangular Moving Average, plus Center of Gravity, which displays a type of moving average that allows us to identify trends in the market and also provides us with buy or sell signals. We can identify the trend in this way.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
When the price moves upwards towards this middle line, which is a dashed line, it indicates an big upward trend, and when the price moves downwards towards this line, it indicates a course downward trend. The middle line in this indicator is the TMA line, which is a type of moving average, and the upper and lower lines represent a distance or deviation from this line. We can determine and choose the optimal amount of this distance based on the asset or symbol we are trading. The way this indicator signals is such that when the price exits this channel, which is between the green and red lines, for example, breaks the green line downward, and then re-enters the channel with a green candle, it issues a buy signal for us. Or conversely, when it exits the upper line of the channel and returns to the channel with a red candle, it issues a sell signal for us. We can use these signals to make buy and sell decisions and place the stop loss either below the same candle, or consider the last swing low as the stop loss for a buy signal. The take profit can be set at the opposite line, which for a buy signal would be the upper line of this channel, or we can consider the opposite signal as the take profit. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the period of this TMA indicator, which displays the middle line for us. The default is set to 56, and we can optimally choose this value based on the symbol we are trading. The next option is the price on which we perform the calculations, which is set to weighted price by default, and it can have any of these values. The next option is the deviation, which we use to draw these two upper and lower lines relative to the TMA. The greater this amount, the more the distance of these lines from the middle line increases, and the less we set this number, the smaller the distance becomes. The last option is the number of candles that come into the chart from the past and on which the calculations are performed. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.